sort out sc300. It can be on 9002, 9003, 9000. Sorry, 7502, 7503. So basically on black and white photocopier machine. So it is about the corona wire. Can be the corona wire, can be broken corona wire, or the grid, or the board, a defective board. Corona, uh, let's say like corona power pack defective, charge corona harness disconnected, or poor charge corona unit connection. So what I found out was the motor is defective. So I'm gonna change the motor. So and then let's see what's gonna happen. So basically, once we change the motor, so and then reset the SC code, will be so.